If you have zero coding skills and want the best resources to learn Python, I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'm going to detail 3 books that'll help you go from Python 0 to hero that relate to data science. Learning Python is an invaluable skill that helps you branch out in the IT area in general. If you take the information from these books systematically and apply it, you will definitely see results. First of all, you will need an IDE integrated development environment to code within Python. I would recommend Jupyter on your local machine, which will work best. You can access it by downloading Anaconda on your local machine. If you don't want to code on your local machine, then you can still use the Jupyter kernels that are available online. You may also be asking why not just to learn Python online for free, like on YouTube or a course. I've already explained the lack of learning strategies in these type of courses that go against the science of learning. If you want to know more, I've provided an in-depth explanation in the video above, or you can find it in the description below. The first is Python Crash Course, a hands-on project-based introduction to programming by Eric Matthews. This book is a godsend with its exercises and understandable instructions. The book seamlessly progresses through the increasing levels of difficulty. You can always correct yourself with answers provided in each question. The best part are the projects. It provides 3 projects. Each project deals with skills in different domains that you can progress on your own once you're done finishing the book. These are gaming, data visualization, and web application development. If you have zero, and I mean zero experience with Python, I highly recommend this book. The next book is the TensorFlow Workshop, a hands-on guide to building deep learning models from scratch using real-world datasets by Matthew Morecrane, Anthony So, and Anthony Madeline. This book goes from the basics of Python of using TensorFlow for creating deep learning models. If you want to expand your Python skills further into data, this is the book for you. The PAC series in general always presents high standard of education. I highly recommend them and most of their books for learning coding subjects. In my honest opinion, I prefer TensorFlow over PyTorch. There's nothing really wrong with PyTorch. It's just that both require tremendous amounts of time to learn. And personally, I've not found time to learn PyTorch. Once I learn more about it, I'll definitely give a book recommendation on it. The last book is Python for Data Analysis, Data Wrangling with Pandas, NumPy, and IPython by Wes McKidney. Obviously, by its title, it's for data analysis and visualization. If you want to learn Python specifically for data analysis, then this is the book for you. The only downside with this book is there are not really much exercises, but there are examples that you can follow. It would help to have a foundation in Python to actually learn this book so that you can understand and follow with it well. Python is definitely a versatile coding subject, coding language. There are tons of ways to learn this, but these are the books that I've really used that have really helped me in terms of understanding and applying the skills for data analysis. I hope that they will help you as well, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah.